A well-equipped kitchen deserves high-quality cookware, and this Cook Standard 11-inch hard-anodized non-stick stir-fry wok pan is an absolute gem. Whether you're a home chef exploring new recipes or simply need a versatile, durable pan for everyday use, this wok is designed to deliver exceptional performance. From stir-frying and sautéing to deep-frying and braising, this hard-anodized wok stands out for its durability, ease of use, and even heating. Its thoughtful design, including a flat bottom for stability and a tempered glass lid for visibility, makes it a must-have for any kitchen. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deeper into its features and benefits to find out why this wok has become a favorite among culinary enthusiasts. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Hard anodized surface for durability and performance. The wok features a hard anodized surface that is not only thicker and stronger than traditional aluminum, but also chip-resistant. Even heating. Say goodbye to hot spots. This pan ensures uniform cooking. Long-lasting quality. Built to withstand heavy use without warping or damage. Professional performance. Ideal for intense cooking techniques like stir-frying and deep-frying. Number 2. Nonstick excellence for effortless cooking. The nonstick coating elevates your cooking experience by providing easy food release, no more struggling with sticky food. Healthier cooking. Use minimal oil while achieving delicious results. Quick cleanup. A simple wipe or rinse, and the pan is ready to use again. Number 3. Tempered glass lid with steam vent. One of the standout features is the tempered glass lid with a stainless steel rim and steam vent. Convenience. Monitor your food without lifting the lid. Safety. The steam vent prevents pressure buildup. Versatility. Retains heat and moisture for perfect braising or simmering. Number 4. Comfortable and safe handle design. The long riveted stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch, even during extended cooking sessions. Ergonomic grip provides comfort and control. Durable construction, securely attached for safe handling. Number 5. Oven safe and versatile for various stovetops. The wok is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen stovetops, not induction. Multi-purpose cooking. Perfect for stir-frying, frying, sautéing, or braising. Reliable heat tolerance. Seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven for diverse recipes. Why choose the Cook Standard wok pan? 1. Affordable quality. Premium materials at a budget-friendly price. 2. Ease of use. Perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. 3. Stylish design. Sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor. 4. Time-saving cleanup. Dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. Who should buy the Cook Standard wok? This wok is ideal for home cooks experimenting with Asian or stir-fry dishes, families seeking healthier cooking options, chefs looking for durable and reliable cookware, anyone wanting to simplify their cooking routine with high-performing tools. Conclusion. This Cook Standard 11-inch hard-anodized non-stick stir-fry wok pan is the perfect blend of durability, functionality, and style. Whether you're whipping up a quick stir-fry, simmering a hearty curry, or frying crispy tempura, this wok has the versatility and performance to meet your needs. Its non-stick coating, ergonomic handle, and tempered glass lid make cooking easier and more enjoyable, while the hard anodized surface ensures lasting quality. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware and take your cooking skills to the next level, the Cook Standard wok is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and start creating delicious meals today. With this wok in your kitchen, every dish is a masterpiece waiting to happen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.